Sociologists, psychologists, and biologists say that our ability to laugh serves two primary functions. First, to communicate with our tribe members, and second, to lower stress. Many people usually think of comedy or humor as coming in a form of exaggeration or fabrication. But an effective humor can be achieved by directing attention in unexpected directions using appropriate metaphors and words, or even just by saying something normal with funny body language. Many people believe that humor is used only for fiction and satires. But actually, there are significant practical benefits to the well executed use of humor in non fiction writing as well. Humor makes you approachable and strengthens your bond with your readers and the audience. It can also aid your unique position in the marketplace if you are doing marketing and you are doing storytelling or writing for marketing purposes. One study claims that when we like what we are reading, we remember it better and usually recall the funny part of it. There are a few things you can use, like the K rule. The K rule says that the names and the words that have K in it are funny. So you can use this rule to create names of your funny structures or funny characters and use the words in conversation like Kike, chicken, cupcake, cockroach, quack. Well, even my name is Krishna, so yes, K is there. The next is the comic triple. It is one of the many comic devices regularly used by comedians, writers, and speakers. The comic triple, or the rule of three, relies on creating a two-item pattern and then breaking that pattern with a third item to confound viewers' expectation or audience's expectations. The comic rule of three is frequently combined with rapid timing, giving readers or audience less time to notice the pattern before the punchline arrives. The third element of the triple is commonly employed to generate a surprise effect with the audience and is frequently the joke's punchline. For example, joke might include three stereotyped characters such as an American, a British person, and an Indian person. So you see, the third is breaking the pattern somehow, and you may start to finding a bit funny that okay, something good is going to come. So the joke's surprise or punchline is delivered by the third character. In comedy, the rule of three focuses on building tension before releasing it with a humorous release. The rule of three builds tension with the first two items in the pattern, which should be the funniest of the three, and then releases it with the last item, which should be the funniest of all the previous two. The rule can be applied efficiently at longer lengths as long as the fundamental formula is followed. So instead of 3, you can have 4 or even 5. But make sure the audience shouldn't be able to judge or predict the pattern. Right? So that's why most triples are brief and generally only 2 to 3 lines long.